This is Samsung Galaxy M05, and today I'll show how you can take a screenshot on this device. So, in order to capture a screenshot on this phone, you can either simultaneously press volume down and power buttons, and as you can see the screenshot gets taken, or you can open the control panel, then start editing it, go into either top or full layout, doesn't matter, and then in the available buttons list, look for the Take Screenshot tile. Now move it to the list of active buttons here, so drag it, and then save the changes you have just made. And now should you go into the control panel, you can now, use this icon, tap on it, to also take a screenshot. If you would like to find the screenshot you have taken, open Gallery or any other File Explorer app for that matter, or Gallery Explorer, and you will find out that all your screenshots are being automatically saved into their separate designated screenshots folder. So you will find all of them right over here. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.